How to make infused water.
Hey Emily, I've been hearing a lot about infused water lately. Do you know how to make it?
It's super simple, George. You just need some fresh fruits, herbs, and water. First, you cut up your choice of fruits and herbs into slices or pieces.
Sounds easy enough. What do you do next?
After that, you fill a pitcher with water and add the fruit and herb slices into it. Then you let it sit in the fridge for a few hours to let the flavors infuse.
That sounds refreshing. Do you add any sweetener?
Nope, you don't need to. The natural flavors from the fruits and herbs are enough to give the water a delicious taste.
Great! I'll have to try making some infused water myself. Thanks for sharing the recipe, Emily.
No problem, George. Let me know how it turns out. I'm sure you'll love it.